Hi, I am Gaurav from Bitcoin. In this video, we will see how mutual fund SIP is more profitable and reduces risk compared to lump sum. Now, as we know that mostly mutual fund investment is done on equity market, so let's take an example of BSE Sensex 30 chart. Now, let's assume that we have invested a particular amount in lump sum here. Now, when we will redeem our mutual fund at this point, we will lose the opportunity when the market was down in these points. On the other hand, investing lump sum amount can be risky if the market continuously goes down for long-term horizon. Now, when we are investing in SIP, a small amount is invested every month at different market situation. Hence, when the market is going down, we are getting an opportunity to get invested at low price, and when the market goes up, we are getting profit from all those previous SIPs at market low. This will reduce risk and will help us to generate good return on our investment. That's all for today, and do check our website www.bitcoin.in and go to the exclusive offer section to open a free online demat account with us. You will also get up to 50% discount on your brokerage for all tradings and investment. You can use this account to invest in shares, bonds, debentures, IPO, mutual funds, currency, derivatives, etc. You will also get a link on the description of this video to open your account. Mutual fund investment is subjected to market risk. Kindly read all offer documents carefully before investment.